Hi, Aquarius. Welcome back. This is Deanna, Mama Duali Rock. I have a special message for you. Let's jump straight in. I'm seeing you at a point of entry, a very exciting time for you, Aquarius. So you're avoiding temptations. You're getting rich by the minute. I'm hearing. This is red work. This is consistency. Your glass is being completely full. You're not fading away. So you're addicted to life, Aquarius. The love of risking and taking. So you're a risk taker. And everything you need, you have. So other people are watching you and you're breathtaking. You're breathtaking. So let's jump into this message. So today is an amazing day. It's just bringing me a sense of togetherness. So let's jump into the cubes and pull some out the bag. Shake it up. Pull some out. Okay. Love. The eye. Taker. Holy tablets. This says you have the rights to family paperwork. So you may have the rights to an heritage of your family. I'm seeing you are someone of love. You're not a giver. I mean, you are a giver, not a taker. This is written all on you, all on your heart. And this also says commander. You are someone who commands what they want. An emperor, empire. So like I said, I'm seeing you gaining richness on a daily basis. You're addicted to life. This is your success. Okay. Thank you, Spirit God, for this message. Guide us on this message with understanding, enlightenment, and truth. Aquarius, this energy is bringing number 24, summer, a time for blooming, celebrating success. This is you. You are a vibrant person. You stand in firm. You stand in success. When you show up, it's a frequency that springs. It blooms. You're a person that bloom. And the other card that popped out was number 23, spring, a time for renewal. Step into uncharted territory. You're someone who takes people's breath away. You stand firm in success. And what is the other card that popped out? It was the wild feminine. Awaken your she-wolf instinct. The primordial force. Number 2, this represents a divine feminine, Aquarius. So you're someone who stands in a place of intuitiveness, a spiritual being who aligns their self in a springful enchantment. Everything around you, your territory, it's a it speaks wealth. It speaks wealth. So you're someone with social activities. You're spending a lot of time with friends, with people you interact with that really sees this of you. Aquarius. And you have to, you are someone who lives in freedom. You live in freedom. You had this thirst for it. So you're living liberated, free and change. This thirst for freedom and change increased it for you. You set aside all routines, Aquarius. You got real serious with this task that God has you on. You're showing up with humor. You're showing up with humor. The coyote, number 16. You bringing in change. You remove the chaoticness. This is a revelation you had. You were awakened. Laughter is your medicine, Aquarius. Laughter is your medicine. You like socializing. You are someone who likes socializing with mindful people. You like-minded people and similar interests that have similar interests with you and like to achieve the same ideas and maybe the same goals and hopes. You like to join activities and groups. You're someone who loves to express themselves. So this is social life. This is friends. You are a fixed sign, Aquarius. You're a fixed sign. And you are someone who life speaks in love affairs. You're very romantic. People get easily attached to you because you're self-expressive. You're very creative in your art and drama. I'm seeing you have love, so you may have children here that you express this to. And you give much pleasure and play to. And people speculate of that. People speculate of this because they're confused. They have no type of insight on how you're doing this thing. But Divine Spirit says during the springtime, you are protected. During this journey, you are protected. And then we had the 36 purification that popped out here. It's saying raise your vibrations, be caring for your energy. You're being centered. As above, so below. As within, so without. You're being centered here. And remember, Aquarius, we're still in the new moon. We're in the new moon. We're still in Pluto in Aquarius. Pluto or Venus in Aquarius. I'm going to check back at you. But if it's Pluto, this is like a force of consciousness, of nature, that's bringing you back to like a great transformation here. That's bringing you back to a great transformation here. So you have great instincts, Aquarius. Awaken that she-wolf that's in you. This paradigm force that's in you. And you're going through a paradigm shift. This is a paradigm shift that you're experiencing here. So Spirit is saying you put aside all routines and serious tasks and just like absorb yourself into this energy. And surprisingly, you are highly liked it. You are. You don't have to do too much. It automatically, as a shift, you shift right along with it. So you're in great alignment. And you always benefit from the out of the box thinking. You have great thinking skills. And you implement, you're good for implementing something new with anything and everything that you have. You're someone who likes to avoid the attraction. You like to avoid the extravagance that you can provide, but you like to avoid that. You like to invest more in yourself, into your brand, into the next thing. So let's tap into the spiritual animal oracle deck. I want to see where your animal guide, your animal spirits is speaking to us. Because you bring medicine. Maybe spiritual. What is the present message from her or his, from this divine feminine, divine masculine message? Your mystic. The polar bear popped out. The polar bear. Knowing that challenges make you stronger. Have faith when you face adversity. Take time to rest, dream, and renew your strength. Embrace your psychic abilities. You're carrying the shaman within. This is your spiritual animal speaking. Okay? So let go. Your creative juices is going to flow. We're to the point where you're going to be able to rejoice here. Let go. And you'll find your independence. You'll find the light and the joy by being productive within your day. And this is the cat. You are natural. You are a natural leader. Your intuition is very strong here. So I'm seeing someone very committed. I'm seeing someone who doesn't have to go with the crowd, who stands alone. This is someone who has like an eagle spirit, who stands in the eagle strength. And I started out with telling you that everything that you have, you don't need. You don't go without. Everything you need, you have. Sorry about that. At this time, God has provided for you. Spirit has provided for you. So Spirit is saying just swim. Lean on Spirit. Stay in the moment. This is the Yemaya. You are the water bearer. This is you. This is Spirit pouring into your cup, into your glass, so that you will not fade away. This is Spirit helping you to swim through the storm. So you'll be in this happy place, this place of joy, this place of living, because you're already addicted to life at this time. You're addicted to the knowledge. You're addicted to the wisdom. You're addicted to the success that the kingdom did provided for you. So I'm seeing you studying right now, Aquarius. You're diving in deep. You're diving into the wisdom that God is providing for you. And you're going with the flow. You're going with the flow, Aquarius. So you're adapting. You're adapting at this time. Spirit is saying follow all legal laws. Stay in your commandments. Stay in the Holy Spirit energy. Stay lifted. Wear and become love. I don't know if you heard of it's the song that's ringing in my ear. The artist Cash Doll. Follow all commandments or something. Let me look it up. Let's see what the words are so we can see. I want to see what exactly. There she is. Let's see if we can get the lyrics popping, okay? All right. Let's see what she say. Collectors. You know I can't play it out loud. It says stand for something or fall for anything. Never let a nigga fuck you over more than once. Today she call you your sister, tomorrow she call you anything. Money aside, don't let a nigga ride. Stand on your business if they say it. Keep family first, but put it in front of everything. But on yourself, you're going to roll the dice on everything. Any points to be made, don't be sorry. You better look fucking good as you do it. Okay? So you guys, I couldn't keep up with it. But you guys can look it up, or I'll just post her video or the link in my community box or a link below. And tell me what you guys think about it. Okay? But don't let nobody fuck you over. You know? You take their breath away anyway. So you don't have to explain anything to anyone. You are the breeze. You are the sunlight. You are the wisdom. You are the wise one. So have faith. Have faith. Okay, Aquarius? Have faith. That's what we're here to do. We're here to stay in our commandment. We're here to build from a great, powerful foundation and do it with love, with life, and with God. With love, life, and balance. That's what we're here to do. I'm thinking about writing that book. Stay tuned. It will be coming in the future. Yes. So let's tap into these cards and meanings and messages from the universe. Let's close this out with some numbers, some colors, some spirit. and see what Spirit says, okay? Remember, you're good. You have all rights in this area, in this time. Don't let nobody tell you nothing different, okay? Number 3. So this symbolizes passion, intuitive, success, creativity, and good fortune. So you may be seeing number 3, numerology number of number 3 or 333, meaning passion. It symbolizes passion and creativity. Congratulations. You are the luck. This is luck and power. This is powerness. This is a divine principle that underlines life. You are the lucky one. You are the lucky one. And the best is yet to come. The best is yet to come. Let me take this out. The color orange. And the season of orange is, well, orange, the season of orange is what? Is around, what season is that? We just came up out of that. What is that, around like October, November? That's the season of the chill. Orange is bright. It brings warmth and color. So you may have, I'm saying, furniture, or you may love the color orange. You may love the color orange as well. Add to it. And this is your season. So the orange represents fertility and positivity. Like I said, this is your season, my love. This is your season. This color it means positive youth, being optimistic and warmth. And we started off with that color. You see, she wears the circle that's ore on her head. That's your brain energy. That's your subconsciousness. That's you wearing that mentally within. And then we have adventure. The number 5 represents and signals enjoyment in life, freedom, trying new experiences, raising to new horizons. This is a new relationship within you. Okay, you're making great decisions, big decisions. This is awakening, some sense of high experiences you're going through. 555 is the numbers that's connected to adventure. So 5 senses, 5 fingers, 5 toes, 5 principles, 5 messages. The number 5, 555, or 55. Let's take messages from the universe. Thank you, Spirit, for these messages and helping them correlate, bringing all truth and understanding. And we're grateful. Yellow, the Oshun, the light being, elevation, love, a spark, Aquarius. You're that sunlight. You're that sun sign. You connect all all things to the core of an individual, and with people, the aspects of you. This discloses individual attitudes and needs that's being taken care of for you at this time. So I'm seeing change. I'm seeing growth, Aquarius. This is important. Yeah, I love it. So you're taking a breath and you're breathing. You're sticking to your divine principles. And remember, Aquarius, you are someone who's free, who's very friendly, a humanitarian, very intuitive, very inventive. Okay? So you're the no sign. You know which way that you want to go. You're 10 light years ahead. You're growing so fast. This is a fast pace you're growing in this liberation, in this freedom, in this change. I love it. Keep up the good work, Aquarius. Keep up the good work. This is a point of entry of your life that's very exciting for you. And I'm excited for you. You're doing great. So congratulations. We end this here. I shall end this here. I hope this resonated with you and you received all that you came here for. Spirit is on your side. You're very protected and the universe has spoken. I'll talk to you later. Until next time, like and subscribe and do not let that notification go untouched. We love you here and we want for YouTube to send these messages out into a flow of nature. All right, Aquarius, take heed. Talk to you later. Peace.